QVScribe's analysis is programmed out of the box to work across a broad range of different applications and industries, but it can also be customized to meet your personal and team-specific best practices. So to do this, you go to the QVScribe tab in the top ribbon here, and then you click Configuration over here. And that is going to bring up the 7 different categories that QVScribe is searching for, and you can customize which words are included in it. So say, for example, for your imperatives, you have decided as a team that you're only going to use the word shall. Well, you can remove all of these other words. And you say yes. So that when you look through your document, when it searches your document, if the word shall does not appear in a requirement, you're going to get a flag for that. And you can also add in words that you would like to add in. So instead of the word shall, maybe you do want to use the word must and it's not listed there. You can type must, and that's going to be added to your list as well. So it's very easy to add and remove terms. And you can do the same thing for any of the different categories across the top here. Your negative imperatives, your vague words, your optional words, your continuances, your derivatives, and even your universal quantifiers, which don't fall under the quality score but are still noted. You can adjust those as well. You can also change the terms for your unit consistency, add or remove them as needed, including the abbreviations, and your exclusion prefixes. So you can use this in a document if you're using rationale statements or comments, which is a best practice with requirement statements. So you have your initial requirement statement, and then you give the rationale or you add a comment to it. By using these, they're not turned on by default, but you can add one in. Now, any word that appears after the rationale, the word rationale, is not going to be included in your report. So you can use these to exclude portions of it that aren't actually a part of the requirement so that your quality score is more accurate in that way. That's how to customize QVScribe for Excel.